degrees to the skin approximately, in, and then we can thread through. Now, am I certain that I've got actually through trapezius? No. Okay, alright. Do you concur, Doctor? Yes? Good.
Yeah, I would prefer long.
Long enough?
Yeah.
Same technique, but now look. The longer the needle starts to bend. This is why we have a trick. Smaller guide tube. This is where you make sure you've had your eyes tested. Thread. That stabilises the needle and then gives it some support, and then you can thread through. Like that. Still haven't hit the fossa. Nothing. No, still haven't hit it. That is as definite as you can get to be on supraspinatus. Okay? Unless he's developed a new muscle that we don't know about. Okay? That is about as close as you're going to get. But let's see if we can.
Next to us?
Bitte?
Next to us?
Minimal.
What was the question?